Women after 40 might start to experience weight gain, especially in their stomach area. So usually menopause is the culprit because our metabolism starts to slow down. It's called the middle-age spread, and it can be a royal pain not only in the stomach but in the butt. So those of you who are an apple-shaped body, you usually already experience this issue. But I'm a ruler shape, so I am straight up and down, and I also have this issue. And if you're trying to cover up your tummy, just like I am, be sure to listen to the rest of this video where I'm going to share 10 tips on how you can hide your belly and make you more confident in your appearance. Hi, I'm Tania Stevens, and I'm the face behind 50 is Not Old, and I want to welcome you to my channel. My mission is to help women feel better about themselves, and I use fashion and beauty as my tools. My goal is to have you remember that age is just an attitude, and you should keep yours young. So be sure to follow my channel and click on the red bell so that you never miss a post. So we are going to talk about hiding the belly, and it can be harder in the spring and summer. So while I love, love, love the warmer weather of summer, it can be a little more difficult to hide the tummy. During the colder months, we layer, and that helps us stay warm, but it also helps to camouflage this whole stomach region. The first tip I want to tell you is don't wear tight or clingy garments. You need to pick tops with ruching or draping. In other words, tight tops that are made from a clingy material, they're not your friend. They will accentuate every lump and bump, and you'll be self-conscious when wearing them. So instead, choose tops that are flowy or have some draping. I love a wrap top because it kind of hides my stomach area because of the draping. Also, tops that have ruching creates draping, and those can also help camouflage stomach bulges. One of my favorite tricks is to use a long cardigan or a jacket. So these create a vertical line. That's what I use the cardigan or a blazer or a jacket. The idea is to trick your eye into thinking that your waistline ends where the cardigan begins. So this tricks the eye into thinking you're thinner. Since it's summer, you might opt for a lightweight cardigan, a sleeveless vest, or possibly a kimono. All of those will work to create that vertical line and distract the eye away from your tummy. Now I know some areas of the country it might be even too hot to wear even a lightweight cardigan. So vests are trending. Try that instead, and you will look modern as well as still achieving that goal. Let's talk about pants. So I use pants that use tummy control panels. Now high-waisted pants are going to be your best bet. Those will hold in your bulges, but the tummy control panels that a lot of retailers are using, those go the extra distance in holding in our bellies. I also wear leggings or skinny jeans to help hold these in the belly. So I love wearing leggings and stretchy pants, especially they help tuck in the tummy. I want to make sure I pick the kind that doesn't dig into the tummy, and if they have the control panel, that's even better. So pair these leggings with a tunic top or a draped longer top, and you're all set. You'll be confident, you'll be comfortable, and your belly will be well hidden and contained. When you do need to wear pants, because leggings don't work for every occasion, and there's just going to be those times when you need to wear a pair of pants or a skirt. You want to try to avoid a full tuck all the way around. That draws attention to your expanding waist and it cuts you right in half. Instead, try leaving your top outside of the pants or skirt, or do a half tuck. That's really what I usually do because some tops can look frumpy or sloppy when left outside. I also use tops with prints. So not only is it the style of top it matters, it does also matters about the pattern and the print. Prints are a great way to hide belly bulges. They confuse the eye and you look all the way around and it can't really focus on your bulge. So if you're wearing a print with a cardigan and tummy control panel pair of pants, you're definitely all set. Now, a lot of women use shapewear as their choice for controlling the belly bulge. And I'm not a huge fan just because I don't like to feel overtly compressed. If I'm wearing shapewear, it's usually just to keep my blouse or my shirt from clinging to my stomach. But I do sometimes use a thing called an invisible belt, and I put it under my shirt to hold in the muffin top. So you can use accessories to hide your belly. So another tool I have on just for this case, is to show you a scarf. If I wear it close around my neck, it draws your eye upward. If I leave it long and possibly over my stomach, flowy, then it hides the belly. Another way is to use statement earrings or a necklace to bring your eye upward. So my husband uses this theory called the hairy arm theory. And while that does not sound appealing, what he's really meaning is you can draw attention to another part of your body. So think about this. What is your best asset? Is it your long legs? Is it your long, elegant neck? Or maybe you want to draw attentions to your eyes. Maybe a little cleavage. Whatever it is, do you know that our shoulders are the last place to age on our body? Maybe you want to wear an off-the-shoulder top. And if it's not that you want to draw the attention up, maybe you want to draw the attention down. Maybe you have beautiful shaped toes. That's not my story. Anyway, you might want to wear sandals, bright colored, maybe some stones or rhinestones. But make sure you paint the toenails because all eyes are going to be on the feet. No eye is going to be on the belly, and that is the whole point. So in the end, confidence is what we're looking for. Because ladies, you're beautiful, no matter what size or what shape you are in. But if you don't feel confident in your appearance, then you're not going to be happy. These tips and tools are just meant to help you feel more confident in your clothing choices. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please share it so other women can find it also. And I always appreciate a thumbs up to keep the algorithm gods happy, and comments are also welcome. See you next time.